Good day to all Momshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Super Momshies, today it's all about Christmas tree. Last week, or from the last video, we made Christmas star, right? So we will make Christmas tree also, but it's just mini, or we call it bonsai. I call it bonsai. From the others, I don't know, but the Christmas tree that I will show you today, it's like a bonsai Christmas tree. This is 2-in-1. Why? Because you can use also as your home decoration after this Christmas holiday. Super Momshies, you might be confused of what I'm saying. Christmas star. The Christmas star is the poinsettia plant because they call that Christmas star or Christmas flower. Okay, if you are ready, and we can start again the crafting. Super Momshies, you're ready now? These are the materials that we need in this Christmas tree. Gift wraps assorted, the metallic foam which we will cut the star, and also the bottles, empty bottles of mineral. Sure, we need also these bottle caps, the tape, the cutter and the scissor, and you must have your cutting board so you will not damage your table. So this one now I already cut it, so we're going to cut also this bottle to start creating the Christmas tree. So from this one, I calculate only around 4 inches. This one, I have to cut it like this. After we cut like that, so we have to bend one by one. So we create around 22 cuts like this. Then another cut for this second, I have to make like this. So I will know. Then I will cut again. Super Momshies, this is the first layer, the second layer, and now this is the third layer. So same, we need to cut, and then we will bend, and after that we will cut at the edges so we can connect the flower all around. Okay, so we will start again to cut. Super Momshies, this is now the final bottle that I cut. So you have to cut it, the edges as I've said, after all, to connect some details to complete as bonsai Christmas tree. So to make it more strong, I wrap around with this tape, each from this side to make it more strong. And also I want my base strong to carry whatever details that I will add on it. So if you remember from the previous videos, I have shown you how to create the crystals, like this kind of crystals. This is only red. It is bottle that you're going to crumple it or squeeze until it will be rumble, or I don't know how the words you will use it. So I make it like that to make it more short. So this is what I put inside. I choose blue, so I crumple like this small size and add it to make it strong, the base. Okay, so I will show you now how to cut this one. Give for wraps. I want this size 2 inches, so I start to cut already this one. So I'll show you how I will create that type of flower. So it will be like this, because 2 colors, the blue one with the blue with red, and this. So we will use these colors. Okay, so we will start, like for example this one, I cut it like this. We'll make it into 4 cuts. So we can make it okay. So same thing, this color, same this what I have done. Okay, so how we will make it, so you will just, this is the tape. You can just flatten it here on your table. I hope you can see it. We don't know how we will position the camera. Okay. So I put the tape from the edge. Then I want to connect it like this to catch, so it will be like this. Alright, and then we will cut at the center into small. The red one, we need at least 11 pieces, and the blue one, we need at least 55. So we can assemble the bonsai Christmas tree. So you see. And then what we will do is we will just roll it. Till we can create a ball flower. Okay, we need 11 pieces of like this, and this color we need 55. All right. Okay, super Momshies, this is now what I make. We need to assemble. Okay, so this is how to assemble it. We will start on the red one. We'll start now to put the red flower. Until it will be completed. Now the red it's done. So we will start also the blue to assemble. Same process. Until we will complete. See, we are just putting it at the bottom, the glue. So it will be like that. So this is now the final touch. So you see, to complete it as a Christmas tree, we need to at least put a star. Okay, so I need this any newspapers or magazines or whatever, because I don't have any wood to use it. So I will just make it like this, like post. Put at the center. Okay, so for Momshies, this is now the paper that I rolled. I cover it with plastic, and we need to cover also some attractive metallic papers or gift wrap. So I need to continue. I'll show you to make it more colorful. So I'll continue. See, same like this. So we will just continue to roll. Now we are done covering the post for the star. So I cut already the star. This is the metallic foam. So we will put now so we can finalize our Christmas tree. We will use double-sided tape. Okay. So we will put it here. So this is the star. So ta-da! Super Momshies! This is bottle cap of the mineral also. This is red, this is the blue one. So I put to add more life for this bottle. And this is also stickers, star sticker, so I just fix it, you know, I decorate it. So the final touch will be the star. I make like this, so it will be temporary. So if the holiday season for this Christmas will finish, you can just remove it and you can use it still as your bonsai plant in your home as your decoration. So we'll just attach now. I just use the double-sided tape. So we'll just put at the center, let it stand. Finally, Super Momshies, the bonsai Christmas tree is done. This is not the traditional triangular Christmas tree, but I make it different. My bonsai Christmas tree. So for those who did not yet subscribe, please subscribe now and give me a thumbs up and share to your friends and family, and don't forget to press the notification bell for more new videos update. So I would like to give a shout out to all of you, for non-subscribers and subscribers, silent viewers, to everybody. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching the video. And again, I'll see you next time. Babush!